In our last lecture, successfully we have accessed this forgot password API. Now in this lecture, we are going to dispatch that actions. So I will come inside this forgot password. I will be closing all these files. Below this, what I have to access? I will access loading. I will access error. I will access success as well as I will access message. And inside this, I will be passing use selector state.user. So from user, I'm just going to access all these values. Below this, create one variable. Variable name, we are going to give dispatch is equal to use dispatch hook. As soon as our form is submitted, we are just going to dispatch the action. Inside this, we are going to pass forgot password. And here what data we have to pass? We have to pass entire form data. Now I will open update profile or update password. From here, I will copy this use effect and below this I will be pasting. Remove last letter, hit enter. Remove last letter, hit enter. And also for use effect, remove last letter, hit enter. Now let us see if error is working or not. Come to project. Here I will be giving some wrong email ID. This email ID is not registered. Click on send. Successfully, I am able to access error messages. I will have user does not exist. Now below this, copy. Okay, let me come here. From here, I will copy this. Below this, I'm just going to paste. Success, remove this entire thing. Instead, I'm just going to pass this message. Whatever message I have accessed from backend, that message I will be passing. Remove last letter. And I do not want to navigate to any page. So I'm just going to remove that navigate. Now come here. I will be giving correct email ID. Click on send. Let us wait. I am having email is sent to khanamtest80@gmail.com successfully. And in backend, successfully, if you have set up node mailer, then you will have success message. I will open email and inside this you can see just now I have received this password reset request inside which I am having this link. But now if I click on this link, it will not be working. But successfully from front end, I am able to access that message. As soon as this action is dispatched, I just want to clear my input field. Below this, I will access set email and inside this, I will be passing empty string. And also scroll down. For this, what I will do, remove this. Here I will be writing loading. If it is loading, then what I will do, I'm just going to render this loader component. Else, I will display send. Now save this. Come here. Again click on send. I am having this loader component. Okay, it is not looking good. So what I will do, in place of this, I will be passing sending. And another way, this entire JSX based on loading state, you can render loader component. Again, I will be writing, click on send. Now I am having sending. Okay, email is sent, but still this is not looking good. Why? Because here I am having sending, but my email is cleared. So what I will do, I will open. From here, I will remove this. I will be passing send. Instead, this entire component, I will be wrapping inside parenthesis. Again, I will select, I will be wrapping in JavaScript mode. And above this, I will pass these fragments, copy, and below this, I'm just going to close. Here, I will check if it is loading, then what I have to do, I just have to render this loader component. It was already imported. Now let me come here. Click on send. Now you can see I am having this loading component. And once it is sent, I am having email is sent to khanamtest80@gmail.com successfully. I will come to email. Multiple times we have sent. And this is the latest email. And I am having this link. But now if I click on this link, let me just click. You can see what I am having. I'm having localhost slash API slash v1 slash reset, and after that I'm having reset token. But whenever we are working, we are having localhost along with the port number, and then we are having our route. So what we will do in backend, we will be changing the route. I will be passing user controller. I will open this request password reset function. Inside this, you can see this is our reset password URL, which will be sent in the email. And this is a route. Reset slash this entire thing is a route. And this API slash v1 we have already passed in the front end. From here, I will remove this entire thing. Okay, first let me just write the variables. In place of this HTTP, from this request object, I will access protocol property. So later on, when we host this website, our protocol can either be HTTP or HTTPS. Accordingly, we will access that protocol. And after that, we are having colon slash slash. Remove this host, and this one we have already given in the front end. I will remove. In place of this host, from this request object, I will access get method. From there, I will access host. Close this JavaScript mode. So using this, let it be HTTP or HTTPS, we are going to get the result. And using this, we will be having our host. And finally, this will be our route. Now save this. Come here. Previously, this was our link. Now come to project. Close this. Again, I will be sending email. Now let me send to different email ID. hanamteaching@gmail.com. Click on send. Okay, it is loading. Email is sent to hanamteaching@gmail.com. I will open. You can see I am having this email. Click on this. Now if I click on this link, you can see I am having localhost. Whatever port we are having, I am able to access that. After that, I am having reset, and only after that I am having reset token. So in backend, it is very important whenever you are hosting the website, you should be having host of that website. So it is very important you access protocol and host.